The flight is full, and I want you to confess on camera right now how you tried to send me back home so you can get a flight voucher for one seat.
Yeah, I did.
Confess.
It was worth $650.
Confess your crime. $650 is worth her husband. This is what I'm worth to her. So I'm available. Tell me what to expect at Vegenation.
So, Vegenation is a vegan, plant-based restaurant.
Okay.
So you can expect plant-based food.
Clearly.
That's probably pretty much it. It's pretty cool though.
What's on the menu? Can you
I don't
expound upon that? What was on the menu the last time you were there?
Well, the first time I went, I had this really good bean burger.
Right.
Buffalo cauliflower.
Right.
Which is usually a staple, so I'm sure they still have that. What else? The fries were really good. Last time I think I had a gnocchi pot pie, which was good. Their desserts are really good as well. So yeah, it's vegan, good food.
Vegenation. Is it Vegenation or Vegenation? How you pronounce it?
Let's ask one.
All right. What's going on here? Vegenation. The Mac Daddy mac and cheese burger with the hand-cut fries, the sweet CBD iced tea, which I'm being told that CBD means something. I don't want to investigate it yet. I just want to drink it. What's this? Buffalo what? Buffalo cauliflower wings? Yeah. All right, so where we at with this one here?
Just some fries.
Just some fries, and that is the what? The bao
burgers with
What's in the bao?
barbecue jackfruit.
Oh, that sounds good.
Yeah.
And what kind of tea is this?
Jamaican hibiscus.
Jamaican hibiscus. All right, camera off. Food time. Las Vegas. This is where locals go. Oh, yeah. Apparently, this is what I was drinking. CBD. What's that say? Any of these symptoms? Arthritis, huh? I ain't that old. We shall see the effects.
I was trying to let you get your thoughts together.
What was that?
What was it? Something.
I don't know. Something just popped off your head.
Yeah, what was it?
It looked like somebody hit you in the head with a rock.
Where did it come from?
I don't know. I'm gonna slow this down on the. I'm gonna slow it down on the camera too.
I know you saw it. I'm like, I felt it in my head.
I got it on tape too. It bounced right off the top of your forehead. What was that?
What was it? Something.
I don't know.
What was it? Something. What was it? Something.
So this is where the locals come. Now there's tourists like me with a GoPro out and a big book bag on. Ceiling concert going on here. Revolution Vegas. That's what it is. What it was.
Are you ready to rock? Come celebrate our new free summer. Oh yeah. Hey, show hands. Who's drunk already?
has brought me to the Venetian. What can you tell me about this place?
It's just really nice.
Speak up.
It's really nice.
That's all you can say about it?
Yeah.
But what is it though? It's a shopping mall?
It's a hotel with shops and casino.
Hotel with shops and casino. Alright. And this is that. Pretty nice, pretty nice. On my way up. We're on our way up. In life too. Symbolic. I thought I walked back outside. It's not even a real sky. Look at that. Okay. What's this supposed to be? What country is this supposed to be? Italy. Interesting. That's funny. You said I'm excited? Why? She says I'm going to be excited. Let's see what's around this corner that's going to excite me. She was waiting to show me the fake Venice. Hence the Venetian, right? Duh. Look, somebody getting a gondola ride too. Is that something? Okay, I like it. Got the bridge. Oh, somebody coming through here. This might be an accident. There's a traffic jam going on. There you go. You want to get one? No? It's above you now? I probably ain't even using that right. I hit the Urban Dictionary and figure that out. They get the deluxe treatment. They get the Italian songs. It's time to head home. Because I'm on Philly time. I don't know about you. Well, I guess it's the end of the line. It's the bus depot, the gondola depot. What time is it here? It's probably 9:15 right now. Come on, we gotta hang. Come on. Huh? You can't go out like that. You sounding old. This whole Uber Lyft thing has been a real experience, I would say. These like designated places. And it's like you gotta like run across some secret path to like get to the secret Uber lot or something like that. Uber on me tonight, baby. Uber on me. There we go. The secret Uber lot. There it is. Empty. Woo. That's some dry heat right there. Back at the place. Like somebody shut my camera off in 2 seconds, but so it's the diner and it's bed, right? Always got time for one more meal. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, for all you cheating brothers, and you know where to bring your side piece. If you need some pizza, it's for you no good, brothers. There you go. That's for you. Lucky Penny. Got a good vegan menu. And chocolate cake. Chocolate cake is all I needed to hear. And I'm convinced. Now if we just get seated, I'll be a happy man. This cauliflower right here.
It's alright.
It's alright. Best cauliflower.
Best than what?
I ain't gonna say best I ever had, but
Oh, yeah, you can't say that.
one of the best is what I'm trying to say.
Negative.
Man, always trying to be disagreeable. Bye, Felicia.